all these operators are explained. The plus is addition of two operand or unary plus. Then is the example. Then is subtraction, right operand from the left or unary minus. Is the multiplication, multiply two operands. Then this is division, divide left operand by the right one. Always result in the plot. Percentage or modulo is reminder of the division of left operand by the right. There is the example. There is a floor division, that mean division that result into wall number adjusted to the left in the number line. And there is a power of operator that is called the exponent operator. One operand raised of the power of another operand is the exponent operator's functionality. It's a left operator raised to the power of the right operator. So now we'll see all the example. So this is the example which that we'll discuss with the help of Jupyter Notebook. So for that, first you have to open command prompt. Now click Jupyter Notebook. If you have not installed Jupyter Notebook, then kindly see earlier video. The process already explained. Then click here. So this is the editor. With the help of that, we can able to learn Python based program. Then Python 3. Please remember that whenever you run in the Jupyter Notebook, command prompt should be open. Now, so we will see one by one example. So let's first see the addition operator. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now we see the subtraction operator. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then multiplication operator. 10, 50. 5, 50. Then this is okay, so 10 by 5, 2.0 always give result in a plot. And after division, modulo, so it is the reminder. So 0, because there is no reminder. 10 by 5. Then row division. Okay, 2. Then last is power of. So that is the 10,000. 10 goes to 5. So that is the all the arithmetic operation is simply explained with the very example. Now next is comparison operator. In comparison operator, 6 kind of operators are there: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, or less than equal to. And here examples are mentioned. So greater than, that means it's true if left operand is greater than the right. So basically it gives the comparison then after true or false condition. So less than is true if left operand is less than the right. Equal to means true if both operands are equal. Then not equal to means true if operands are not equal. Greater than or equal to means true if left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Less than or equal to means true if left operand is less than or equal to the right. Okay, so now we'll discuss this example. Okay, fine. So same example, 10 plus 10. Okay, so first is 10 x 10 y 5. X greater than y? Yes, it is true. Then x less than y. Then x equal to y, whether both are same? No, both are not. False. Okay, so then x is not equal to y. X is not equal to y. 10 is not equal to 5. So true. Then x is greater than or equal to y. Yes. It is greater than or equal to y. And last is x is less than or equal to y. No. So this is false. So this is the example for the comparison operator. Now last one is a logical operator, that is and or and not. And if true if both the operands are true, or true if either of the operand is true, and not true if operand is false. So these are the explanation for example of x and y, x or y and not x. Okay, so we'll discuss this with the help of this basic example. This is experiment 4. So experiment 4, if experiment is greater than 1 and experiment is less than 10. Okay, so experiment equal to 4 is defined. So whether both the conditions are satisfied at the time? Yes. So then print hello dear student. Otherwise we will meet once again. We meet it once again. Okay. So now run this. Okay. So hello dear student. Because this condition first and condition is satisfied. Experiment greater than 1. Yes. 1 greater than 1 is 4. Less than 10. Yes. Because it is 4 is less than 10. Okay. Hope you understood. Right. Now second one is the OR operation. In this condition, anyone conditions true, either of these, then the statement is true. Then if statement is printed. So if x1 is greater than 1, that is true. Then automatically this statement is printed. Any of the condition is satisfied, in this case, then it is printed. Okay, so in this case also it is giving the same result as hello dear student, because it is satisfied the first condition. Now third is a not condition. Not condition, if not x point equal to 4, that means this is not true, then it is true. So in this case x point already 4, so this is not true condition. So printed is will meet once again. So let's check. Okay, so we'll meet once again. So that is from this particular practical to study about arithmetic, logical, so comparison and logical operator. Thank you.